Pinangunahan naman ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos ang bagong permanent gallery ng National Library of the Philippines. Ang ilan sa mga tampok na mga koleksyon sumasalamin sa mayamang kasaysayan at kultura ng bansa. Nagbabalik si Alan Francisco sa detalye.
I am pleased to welcome you to the launching of our permanent gallery in celebration of the 137th year anniversary of this agency.
Nitong August 9, ipinagmamalaking pinasinayaan ng National Library of the Philippines ang bago nilang permanent gallery. Ito'y bilang pagdiriwang sa ika-137 founding anniversary ng pambansang aklatan ng Pilipinas. Ayon sa National Library of the Philippines, ang event na ito ay okasyon kung saan ina-unveil o ipinakita ang koleksyon ng higit 80 natatangi at original documents, mga aklat at manuscripts na sumasalamin sa mayaman at makasaysayang kultura ng bansa. Ayon sa National Library of the Philippines, ang event na ito ay okasyon kung saan ina-unveil o ipinakita ang koleksyon ng higit 80 natatangi at original documents, mga aklat at manuscripts na sumasalamin sa mayaman at makasaysayang kultura ng bansa. Isa sa mga sentro na exhibit ay ang Murillo Velarde 1734 map o ang kinikilalang Mother of all Philippine Maps at marami pang iba. Panauhing pandangal sa event ay si First Lady Liza Marcos. Sa kanyang speech, sinabi ni First Lady Liza na ang permanent gallery ay simbolo ng pagpapahalaga sa bansa.
Coming here today, I thought to myself, it's funny because the last time I was here, the first time I was here, was 2 years ago. I remember because part of my duties as First Lady is to fix a room, one room a week in Malacanang. We went to a room and it was full of books, cultural books, heritage books, law books. There were 66,000 books all in all. Some of them were in the floor, some of them were amag. The law books especially were first edition, signed by the author themselves. So as a law student, you would die for something like that. All 66,000 books were sent here. They rebound it, they cataloged it properly. It's now in the second floor of the mezzanine, aircon, free for all. It's so nice that you did that for the country. Thank you very much. The point I'm trying to make is education comes in many forms, whether online books, hard copy books, first edition books, newspapers, fake news, no, that's not included. But on that happy note, congratulations, sama-sama tayo, babangon muli.
Naroon din si Education Secretary Sani Angara.
Dahil favorite subject nga ni Pangulo, aside from math and sciences, yung kasaysayan, natutuwa ako na meron tayong ganitong proyekto ngayong araw. Pangitain nito na gaano kahalaga ang kasaysayan sa ilalim ng Marcos administration.
Sabi naman ni National Library of the Philippines Director 4, Cesar Gilbert Adriano, ang proyektong ito ay pag-ibigay diin sa pangako ng ahensya na panatilihin at itaguyod ang kultura ng Pilipinas para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Iaanunsyo sa lalong madaling panahon ng National Library of the Philippines ang petsa kung kailan bubuksan sa publiko ang nasabing gallery. Alan Francisco, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.